Hello children, let's learn some colors. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Orange color, orange color. Blue color, blue color. Alphabets. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for cow. C for cow. D for duck. D for duck. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fan. F for fan. Z for grapes. Z for grapes. H for house. H for house. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. J for joker. J for joker. Let's draw some shapes. Black color. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Colors. Red color, square. Yellow color, circle. Green color, triangle. Orange color, heart. Blue color, star. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for cow. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fan. Z for grapes. H for house. I for inkpot. J for joker. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.